All right. Good morning. Happy Friday morning. It's Friday, November 22nd. It is 2:44 a.m. here in Kentucky, and back home on the East Coast, it is 3:45 a.m. Europe has started to kick off, so the markets are moving. I'm going to go ahead and get started here. All right. First off is the Aussie dollar, New Zealand dollar. As you can see here, the Kiwi is getting weaker against the Aussie dollar. The New Zealand dollar is getting weaker against the Aussie dollar. Still have a ways to go. Yes, there's a pullback candle here, but that's probably because we're close to the end. Well, we are at the end of the week, so that could be why. But next week or today, you can look for other opportunities to get into this trade. As you can see here, let's get closer. We got the lagging span above the price action. Price action is on top of the conversion line and the baseline, which are both pointing upward. We got a green upward cloud that's pointing upward. So this baseline is not flat, it is pointing up. So that means this has a ways to run. So this is going to be a good trade. So definitely want to check out the Aussie dollar, New Zealand dollar, or Aussie dollar Kiwi. Next up is the Great British Pound, Aussie dollar. Let us see here. As you can see, the Aussie dollar is also getting strong against the Great British Pound. It is dropping. Look at that fork, or snake fangs. Look at the fork. That is beautiful, ladies and gentlemen. That is what you want right there. Look at there. You got your blue conversion line pointing downward. Red baseline pointing downward. We got the green cloud kissing the downward cloud line. So it's about to form downward. And the reason I say it's going to form downward is because the price action is already broken through the cloud. So it's already down here. So it's already in a downward pattern. That confirms a downward pattern when it breaks through the cloud like that, especially when it breaks hard through the cloud like that. So the Aussie dollar is on a strong trend. And as you see here, the thick lagging span, I made it thick. This lagging span has broken the price action as well. It is beneath the price action. This is a break. So this is a price line break. This is a trend break. It is going down. So which means fewer Aussie dollars to buy British pounds. So the Aussie dollar is getting strong now. So you definitely want to keep track of this. Next up is the Great British Pound CAD. Great British Pound CAD is the CAD is getting stronger against the British Pound. The baseline is still pointing slightly downward. It's still at a downward angle. The conversion line has broken through the cloud, as has the price action, and you have a downward cloud forming. So the CAD is also getting strong against the British Pound. Your lagging span is broken through the cloud as well. So this is a strengthening trend. The British pound is getting weak. Like I told you the other day, it looks like the pound and the euro are getting weak. So might want to consider trading that or keep an eye on it. Your choice. And here's another beautiful trade. Something's going on with the Kiwi. It is getting exceptionally weak. And look here, the CAD, this is the Canadian dollar, or the CAD, is getting strong against the Kiwi, the New Zealand dollar. Lagging spans broken through below the price action, far away from the price action. Price actions below the conversion line, which is pointing down, baseline's pointing down. Red, nice big red downward cloud. So this has a way to go, folks. The Kiwi is getting weak against these currencies I've mentioned. Next up is the Euro Swiss franc. Euro still getting weak. Swiss franc is started just on it. Well, it's been flat for a while. As you can see, it's been flat. Okay, this is what we call a range, a trading range. It's been trading up and down in this range, but now it's broken that range. Okay, it's broken it. It is going down. You got your lagging span beneath the price action. Everything is down. Look at these solid red lines. This thing is going to drop. This is the time to make some money. Snake fangs or pitchforks, whatever you want to call them. You got your conversion line pointing downward, baselines pointing downward, red clouds pointing downward. Folks, this is it. It's dropping. So, a good time to consider getting this trade as well. Euro Swiss franc. Swiss franc's getting strong against the euro. All right, next up, euro dollar. Dollar is getting stronger, but yes, we have the baseline is starting to flatten out. But what normally happens is the baseline flattens out, the conversion line still goes downward with the price action, and the price action will slowly spring back, or it will continue downward. But from the looks of it, it's going to continue downward. It looks like this euro is getting weaker. So you can consider this trade. You can get in or just wait until the sidelines and wait and see what this baseline does. But the baseline is still pointing downward. It actually hasn't flattened out. So you want to keep that in mind. And as you can see, the lagging span is down far, far away from the price action. It's nowhere near it. So you got plenty of room on this trade too, and you got your downward cloud. Last but not least, the Great British Pound, US dollar. Lagging span is far beneath the price action here. And you got your baseline pointing downward. It's not flattening out at all. You got your conversion line pointing downward. And for the last 3 days, this has gone down. And it's broken the previous low. So this has had room to drop as well. Nice red cloud. This is another beautiful trade to consider. This is really a beautiful trade. So that's it for now. It's Friday. Trade carefully. Use proper risk management. Check your psychology management. Good luck, and I will see you soon. There will be another analysis very soon. But like I've been telling you, I would not bet against the dollar. It has room to run. It is getting much stronger, and Europe and Great Britain are going to continue to get weak for a while. So trade carefully, mind your psychology, and good luck. See you next time.